Let's explore what's sprouting in the garden this week. Y'all can see we finally got a yellow neck squash sprouted out. It's cute. Our other squash plant here is looking a little cray-cray, but it's still hanging on in green. We got some mildew on our leaves. I don't know what happened, but we got mildew on all of our leaves all of a sudden of our zucchini and squash plants. Got some tomatoes plants, you can see. Thai basil, still looking good. I need to pluck all the seeds off the top. A hardy tomato plant. So we got lots of tomatoes that have changed colors. A lot of tomatoes, green ones, but we got a lot of red ones that have changed colors. Got a yellow flower on our zucchini plant, but it's looking real bad. I need to fix it. Our mint plant looking pretty decent. And here, that was a hot pepper plant. We got another hot pepper plant here. Hopefully we'll get some peppers. We got some flowers. Hopefully get some peppers for the end of the season. Our sweet basil, our chives. I need to eat some chives, y'all. Pineapple sage plant is off the chain. Planting a pineapple head, still green at the top down there, y'all. Hopefully we can grow a pineapple or something. Swiss chard. This is what our other zucchini plant is looking like. It's looking pretty healthy. It's not looking that bad. Got some yellow flowers on it. But we like 86 degrees today here in Michigan. Hopefully we'll get some more things to sprout for zucchini. Our carrots are looking amazing. I need to pull those carrots out the dirt, y'all. I'll probably pull them in the next week or so and cook some soup or something with them. Got a little deformed looking cucumber growing. Got another little cucumber in there growing. Y'all can see it sprouted. I don't know if that one's gonna make it, but it's a little cute little cucumber. Let's see. I'm gonna start this super tall. Super tall. So yeah, that's what we got sprouting this week in the garden, y'all. I'm gonna go back in the house because it's hot out here. I'm sweating like crazy. That's what we got sprouting this week. Super proud of the comeback our little squash has made here. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.